In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Google AdSense Ads.txt to your Wix site and verify it. If you've ever seen a prompt in AdSense asking you to fix your Ads.txt, this is how you do it quickly and correctly so your ad revenue isn't affected. The Ads.txt file is a simple text file that tells advertisers which platforms are authorized to sell ads on your site. Getting it right matters, so follow along closely. First, open Google AdSense and sign in. From the left menu, go to Sites. You'll see a list of the sites connected to your account. Click on the URL of the site you want to fix. On that page, look for the Ads.txt snippet option and select it. AdSense generates the exact text you need for your site. Click Copy to copy the snippet to your clipboard. Do not edit this text. It contains identifiers specific to your account, and changing anything can break verification. Also, never share the contents publicly because it includes information tied to your account. Now switch over to Wix and sign into your dashboard. From the main dashboard, click on Home so you're at the starting view. Use the search bar at the top of the dashboard, type Marketing Integration, and press Enter. You're looking for the Ads.txt option in the results. When you find Ads.txt, click Connect. This opens the area where Wix lets you manage your site's Ads.txt file. Click Add Ads.txt. A text field will appear. Paste in the snippet you copied from AdSense earlier. Make sure it appears exactly as it did in AdSense, with no extra spaces or lines before or after, and no changes to punctuation. If you're replacing an existing entry, keep only the most up-to-date lines from AdSense. When you're confident it's correct, click Save. Wix will store and serve this file for your domain, so you don't need to upload anything manually. With that done, return to Google AdSense. Back in the Sites section for your domain, click Verify. AdSense will begin checking your site for the ads.txt file you just added. Verification can take some time to reflect, so don't worry if the status doesn't switch immediately. It's normal for changes to take a few hours to propagate. You can come back to the site's page later to confirm the status has updated. That's it. You copied your ads.txt snippet from AdSense, added it in Wix, saved it, and triggered verification in AdSense. This simple setup helps protect your revenue and keeps your site compliant. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more